Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a pancake stack quickly. First, let's talk about preparation. Gathering all your ingredients and equipment beforehand saves valuable time. Make sure your griddle is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent cooking. A large mixing bowl will also make combining everything much easier, setting you up for success right from the start. Next, achieving the perfect batter consistency is key for fluffy pancakes. Start by combining all your dry ingredients in one bowl, then whisk your wet ingredients separately until they are well blended. The trick is to gently fold the wet into the dry ingredients until they are just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now, let's get those pancakes cooking efficiently. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto your preheated griddle. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. This method ensures even cooking and a beautiful golden brown finish every time. Finally, let's talk about stacking and serving your delicious pancakes. To keep them warm while you finish cooking the batch, place them in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Stack them immediately after cooking for that classic, impressive look. Serve your tall stack with your favorite syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream for a truly satisfying and quick breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.